Hey there, tech fans. Today I have the brand new Allpowers Solax P100 portable battery bank. You can take this portable power solution with you out in the field to charge all of your thirsty portable devices whenever you're away from home. It's small enough to take with you everywhere and powerful enough to charge 3 external devices at the same time, things like an action camera, a phone, a tablet, even your drone battery several times on your next camping trip or hike. Now, before we get too deep in all the details that make this product special, I always like to start with a quick unboxing first, just to show you everything that's included. And then I'll dive into the specifications, but I really want to spend some time talking about the special features that Allpowers is included with this product because, let's be honest, there's a lot of portable battery banks on the market, and after a while they all start looking the same. This unit has a lot of advanced functionality that you normally only find in larger portable power stations included inside this tiny cabinet. So I want to spend time explaining that so you can easily compare this to other products you might be considering. And then I'll take a closer look at the unit and I'll come back one more time and show you how you can use this product to charge external devices. And again, I'll point out some of those special features so you can easily compare this to other products you might be considering. But I'm getting ahead of myself. Let's get started with the unboxing first. So when you first pop open the box, you'll find the P100. It's a small compact unit. It weighs about 2 pounds, so you can really take it with you anywhere. It's got a nice lanyard attached to the side that you can use to carry the product, or you can actually clip this on the back of your backpack using a carabiner. You'll also find a heavy-duty flexible USB-C to USB-C cable. Now you can use this cable for a few things. You can plug it in and charge something external that has a USB-C port on it, or you can use it with another USB external charger to actually charge the power bank. Now one cool feature this product provides is dual charging. So you can connect one charger to the USB-C port and another charger to the USB-A port and dual charge the unit to get it charged up fully really quickly. Now, I would recommend an external charger of at least 65 watts, preferably a PD charger because that allows you to charge it a lot quicker. But again, it'll work with most external USB chargers. Also included in the kit is a full instruction manual in several languages that explains everything you could possibly want to know about the unit, how to charge it, how to use it, how to take care of it. So always read through that manual to make sure you get the best value out of the product. All right, so let's talk about the specifications first, then I'll dive into some of those cool features. The unit itself has 99.2 watt hours of internal capacity. That's an important number because if it's under 100 watt hours, you can take it on an airplane with you. So this is definitely airplane safe. It also provides several ports on the front for external charging. 2 of those ports are USB-C ports, which is the latest style of port that's used on all modern equipment. And each one of those ports provides 100 watts of external charging. That's really impressive because most battery banks maybe have a USB-C port that can provide 30 watts or 60 watts. So having 2 ports that can provide 100 watts each means you can use those for larger tablets, drone batteries, other things that need a lot of extra current. Even a laptop can charge off this unit. You'll also find one USB-A port as well that provides 18 watts of external charging. Now the cool thing about those ports is that they're smart. So the USB-C ports are PD ports, which means they're power delivery. So when you plug something into those ports, the unit actually looks at what you've plugged in, it determines the current charge level of that device, and it can adjust the voltage and current that it puts out through that port to quickly and safely charge that device. The USB-A port is QC or quick charge compatible, so it does the same thing with a different standard. So if you plug in a phone that's QC compatible to the USB-A port, it's going to look at that phone, determine the charge level, and make adjustments to the voltage and current. So you've got not just a battery bank that's a raw battery, but you've got a smart battery bank that can quick charge multiple devices at the same time, which is pretty impressive. Another important difference with this from other battery banks is the type of battery chemistry used inside. Most of the battery banks you'll find in the market use a standard lithium polymer cell inside, which is LiPo technology, and that's okay. It works great for laptops and things like that. Your phone probably has a LiPo battery in it, but the challenge with a battery bank like this is that you're going to discharge it deeply and recharge it deeply several times. And LiPo technology doesn't give you a lot of recharge cycles. Matter of fact, you might get 300, maybe 400 if you're pushing it recharge cycles. So if you use it a lot, you're going to charge it and discharge it, so you might get a year or 2 out of most of those battery banks on the market. This one uses the latest battery chemistry available. It's called lithium iron phosphate, and that provides up to 3,000, even over 3,000 charges. So if you do the math on that, you could charge it once a day, discharge it once a day, and still get over 10 years of use out of it. So you're going to get longer use out of this than you will with most standard battery banks. So when you consider all the things I've mentioned, where it's got 3 ports on the front that deliver a lot of power to external devices, It's lithium iron phosphate inside. Those ports are quick charge ports up front, so they're intelligent. You have a beautiful display right here that'll tell you the current charge level, how much current's going out, how much current's coming in when you're charging it. It really has everything you'll need as a perfect portable battery source that you can take with you out in the field, again, to give you all the power you need to keep your portable devices working. Now, if you stay tuned next, I'll take a closer look at it, and then I'll come back and do that demonstration. The product features a high-impact plastic case, which makes it lightweight and really durable. On the bottom are 4 rubber feet that will help to protect the surface you set this down on and keep it from sliding around during operation. I also like the fact that they've got an indent on the top, so if you're charging your phone, you can lay it right up there and it's not going to slide around on you. On the right-hand side, you'll find a lanyard that you can use to carry the product, or you could actually clip this to a backpack using a carabiner. On the front of the unit, you'll find a power button on the bottom left. You can use that to turn the product on by holding it down. And to the right of that are 2 USB-C ports and a USB-A port. Now, the USB-C ports will provide 100 watts of charging power to charge big things like a laptop or a large tablet or even drone batteries. And the USB-A port can provide 18 watts of external charging. So you've got 3 high-performance ports that will actually fast charge external devices. That's pretty much it for the unit. What you've got essentially is a large lithium iron phosphate battery that can convert the internal power into external USB connections for charging other devices. Now, to charge this unit, both of these are input-output, so you could connect the USB-C from here to a wall charger to charge the product. You can also dual charge it using 2 chargers externally with one of the USB-Cs and the USB-A. And that'll allow you to fast charge it and get it really topped off pretty quickly. I hope that closer look was helpful, and now I'd like to show you how you can easily use the P100 to charge several portable devices. And these are things that I take with me pretty much every time I'm camping: my drone batteries, my action camera, and my tablet. And I'll start with the drone batteries. Now, this charging hub is PD compatible, so I've got a USB-C to USB-C cable here, and I'll plug that into the battery bank and the other end of it into the charging hub. And the first thing the charging hub is going to do, because it's intelligent, is look for the battery that needs the least amount of charge and start charging that battery. And you can see on the front, the LEDs are sort of strobing across there. Now, there are 2 modes that charging hub can use: regular charging or fast charging. And the only way I can fast charge is if I connect it to a source that's PD compatible, which this is. So I'm fast charging those batteries. Now we'll move on to the action camera. I have another USB-C to USB-C here. I'll plug that into the second USB port and plug that into the camera. And again, it takes a second for it to recognize another external device that's PD compatible, and it starts charging the camera. You can see the LED blinking there. And now I'll connect up the tablet. I've got a USB-A port available still. I'll plug in a cable to that USB-A port and the other end of it into my iPad. And the minute I do that, it's charging. So what I've done is taken this portable power solution with me out in the field, because I'm not connected to anything. And I've connected 3 external devices that are all, these 2 are fast charging, this one's standard charging, but that's pretty incredible. Now, let me take a look here. Yeah, I'm only pulling about 35 watts out of the unit, and I've got like 3 hours of charging time left. So I could recharge these batteries a couple times. I could certainly recharge my action camera several times, as well as my tablet. So for me, what I've got is a battery bank that has 31,000 milliampere hours of internal energy, which is right in that Goldilocks zone of not being too big and not being too small. Really the right size for a couple of days of camping or a nice long hike that allows me to recharge my portable devices whenever I need to. So when you're comparing this to other products on the market, keep in mind that the 3 ports on the front can be used at the same time. They're all quick charge compatible. The USB-A is QC compatible, the USB-Cs are PD compatible, which means they're going to recognize external devices and quickly and safely charge those devices. The battery technology is the latest available. It's lithium iron phosphate, which provides well over 3,000 charge cycles. It also handles temperature differentiation really well, so if you're going camping when it's hot or it's cold, it's going to work out really well for you. And in general, you've got a nice portable 2-pound unit that has plenty of power to keep everything charged. And that's pretty much it for today. So I hope you found this review helpful. Thanks an awful lot for watching. And until next time, as always, stay nerdy.